Welcome back to Preyo Promo, where you learn simple Canva tricks to create professional designs fast. Want to make your text stand out with a clean, professional background in Canva? Stay with me because I'll show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Step 1. Open your Canva project and add text using the text tool from the left menu. Type your content and position it exactly where you want it on the design. Step 2. Go to the Elements tab and search for lines and shapes to find a rectangle or square. Drag the shape onto your canvas and resize it to sit behind your text. Step 3. Select the shape and use the color picker to choose a background color. Pick a color that contrasts well with your text for better visibility and impact. Before we continue, hit that subscribe button so you never miss powerful Canva design hacks. Step 5. Adjust the position of the shape by dragging it until it aligns perfectly behind your text. Make sure the spacing looks balanced for a clean and professional layout. Step 6. Resize the shape by dragging its corners to frame your text neatly. You can also round the edges using the corner radius option for a modern look. Step 7. Fine-tune everything by adjusting alignment, spacing, and color balance. This ensures your text background looks polished and visually appealing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Preyo Promo for more expert Canva tips that make your design stand out.